How to buy WLFI token on bybit wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token on bybit wallet, click here to copy the token address. This token address is under the base network. Now open your bybit wallet. For that, I will just log into my wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, just select the base as a network from here, as you can see. Now click on these three lines, click on this plus icon, and now place the token address here. This is our token. Now click on confirm. So after that, go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. This is it. Now click on it. So after that, click on swap here, and you will be able to relax to bybit exchange to be able to complete the buy process. So what you need to do here, just connect your wallet. This will be the bybit wallet. After that, switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example the Ethereum, and now make sure you have enough Ethereum first on your wallet, and after that type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, and after that click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on bybit wallet. So this is how to buy WLFI token on bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.